Microsoft has released two new Excel functions, GROUPBY and PIVOTBY. These functions make summarizing data easier than ever, and today, we'll use a sample sales dataset to see how they work. Let's dive in. Here's our sample sales dataset. It includes a sales ID, salesperson, region, sales amount, month, and year. We'll use this data to create summaries by region and by year. Let's start by summarizing the sales data by region using the GROUPBY function. Instead of a pivot table, GROUPBY will create a custom summary directly in the worksheet. Type is equal to GROUPBY in an empty cell. For the row fields argument, select the region column to group the data by region. Next, we need to select the values argument, which is the data we want to summarize. Here, we will pick the sales column. Finally, we need to enter the aggregation method. Type sum to calculate total sales for each region. And there we go. The GROUPBY function has created a table that shows total sales by region. Now, let us take it further by using the PIVOTBY function to break down the total sales by both region and year. To start, type PIVOTBY. Then, select the region column as the row fields argument and to add a year breakdown, add the year column as the column field argument, then sales column for the values argument. Finally, we need to enter the aggregation method. Type sum to calculate total sales for each region and year-wise. This will break down our sales summary by both region and year. The PIVOTBY function has created a summary table that shows total sales by both region and year. GROUPBY and PIVOTBY make data summarization in Excel flexible and easy, letting you create custom tables right in your worksheet. Try them out as an alternative to pivot tables. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Excel tips.